Do you ever feel nervous when you take a taxi and need to speak English?
Maybe you don't know what to say first.
Maybe the driver speaks fast and you feel confused.
Many English learners have this problem every day.
But today, we will practice together.
Simple English. Real taxi conversations.
After this, you can feel more confident.
This podcast is for you.
Hi, Jake.
Hi, Emma.
Today, let's talk about taxi English.
Yes, very useful.
People take taxis all the time.
At the airport, at the mall, at night, when it rains.
And many learners feel shy speaking to drivers.
Yes, they worry about mistakes.
That's okay. Mistakes are normal.
Today, we practice simple, real phrases.
Slow and clear. Imagine you open the taxi door.
You sit down.
The driver looks at you and asks,
Where are you going?
This is the most common question.
Let's repeat. Where are you going?
It means, what is your destination?
Where do you want to go?
Now, how do you answer?
Very simple. I'm going to the airport.
I'm going to the mall.
I'm going home.
Short and clear. Notice this pattern. I'm going to place.
Example. I'm going to the hotel.
I'm going to the hospital.
I'm going to the train station.
Last week, I took a taxi.
Oh, really? Where did you go?
I went to a cafe.
What did you say?
I said, Hi, I'm going to Sunny Cafe.
Easy.
Yes, the driver understood.
Simple English works.
Sometimes drivers speak fast.
Yes, very fast.
You might not understand.
What should learners say?
Say this. Sorry, can you repeat that?
Repeat. Sorry. Can you repeat that?
Very polite.
Very natural.
Or you can say, please speak slowly.
Repeat. Please speak slowly.
Sometimes drivers ask more questions.
Like what? Which street? Which building?
Yes.
Then you can say, turn left, turn right, go straight.
These are direction words.
Very useful.
Many learners say, go straightly.
Ah, that's a common mistake.
Correct sentence, go straight.
Not straightly.
Money is important.
Yes.
You can ask, how much is it?
Repeat. How much is it?
Very common question.
Or before the ride. How much to the airport?
Short and natural.
I once took a taxi at night.
Where did you go? To my friend's house. Did you ask the price?
Yes, I said, how much to Pine Street?
Good.
The driver said, $10.
Simple and clear. Some drivers like to talk.
Yes, friendly conversation.
They may ask, where are you from?
Are you visiting?
Is this your first time here?
You can answer simply, I'm from Cambodia. I'm from Japan. I'm from Brazil.
Or, yes, I'm visiting. No, I live here. Many learners feel nervous.
Their heart beats fast.
They think too much.
But remember, simple usage is enough.
Taxi conversations are short.
Simple.
You don't need perfect grammar.
Just communicate.
Let's practice key sentences.
Repeat after us.
I'm going to the airport.
I'm going to the hotel.
Please speak slowly.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Turn left.
Turn right.
How much is it?
Thank you.
You arrive.
The taxi stops.
What do you say?
Here is good.
Or, you can stop here.
Very natural.
Then you pay.
And say, thank you.
In the US, many people say, have a good day.
Drivers say this.
You can answer, you too.
Short and friendly.
Some learners say, open the car here.
That sounds strange.
Better sentence, you can stop here.
Let's act out a real taxi conversation.
Good idea. Hi, where are you going?
Hi, I'm going to the airport.
Okay, which terminal?
Terminal 2, please.
No problem.
Please speak slowly. My English is not fast.
Of course.
Thank you.
Do you live here?
No, I'm visiting.
Nice. Welcome.
Thank you.
We are here.
Great. How much is it?
$15.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Today we learned taxi English.
Very real, very useful.
You learned how to say where you are going,
How to ask the price.
how to ask drivers to repeat,
How to give directions.
and how to finish the ride politely.
Remember, simple English is enough.
Confidence is more important than perfect grammar.
Listen again. Repeat the sentences.
Practice speaking out loud.
Imagine you are in a taxi.
Use your voice.
Don't stay silent.
Sometimes you speak, but the driver looks confused.
Yes, that happens a lot.
Maybe your pronunciation is different.
Maybe the place name is hard.
What can you do?
Use simple steps.
Step 1. Stay calm.
Step 2. Repeat slowly.
Step 3. Use your phone map.
Very helpful.
Let's practice.
Okay, where are you going?
I'm going to River Mall.
Sorry?
River Mall.
Ah, River Mall.
Yes.
Good communication.
Useful sentence. Let me show you.
Meaning, I will show you on my phone.
Repeat. Let me show you.
Sometimes the road is busy.
Very busy.
The driver may say, traffic is heavy today.
Meaning many cars, slow movement.
You can answer, that's okay.
No problem.
I'm not in a hurry.
Yesterday, I took a taxi at 5 p.m.
Rush hour.
Yes, many cars.
What did the driver say?
Traffic is bad today.
And you?
I said, that's okay. Take your time.
Very natural English.
Sometimes you are in a hurry.
Very late.
Maybe for work.
Or the airport.
You can say, I'm in a hurry.
Repeat. I'm in a hurry.
Meaning, I need to arrive fast.
But be polite.
Always polite.
Don't say, drive fast.
That sounds rude.
Better sentence, could you go a bit faster?
Very polite. Oh no, this happens.
You leave your phone.
Or your bag.
You notice later.
What do you say?
You call the driver company.
And say, I left my bag in the taxi.
Repeat slowly. I left my bag in the taxi.
Left means you forgot something.
You didn't take it.
Example, I left my phone.
I left my wallet.
Let's practice small talk again.
Short questions.
Short answers.
Where are you going?
I'm going to River Mall.
Are you visiting?
Yes, first time here.
Welcome.
Thank you.
See, very simple.
Short answers are okay.
Now listen and repeat like a mirror.
Copy the voice.
Copy the rhythm.
I'm going to the airport.
I'm going to the airport.
Please speak slowly.
Please speak slowly.
I'm in a hurry.
I'm in a hurry.
How much is it?
How much is it?
Night taxis feel different.
More quiet.
Maybe you feel unsafe.
You can ask questions,
Like, how long will it take?
meaning travel time.
Repeat. How long will it take?
Last month, I took a taxi at night.
Were you tired?
Yes, very tired.
Did you talk?
A little.
What did you say?
I said, how long will it take?
And the driver?
About 15 minutes.
Let's talk about feelings.
Important for learners.
Many students say, I'm scared to speak.
That's normal.
Taxi conversations are actually good practice.
Short, simple, real.
You don't need long sentences.
You just need key phrases.
Even one sentence is great.
Even one word is okay.
You are learning.
You are growing.
You are doing great.
Let's do a longer taxi conversation.
Okay, real and natural.
Hello, where are you going?
Hi, I'm going to Central Market.
Okay, traffic is heavy today.
That's okay.
Are you visiting?
Yes, first time here.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Which entrance?
Main entrance, please.
Got it.
Sorry, can you speak slowly?
Of course.
Thank you.
We will arrive in 10 minutes.
Great.
Here we are.
You can stop here.
Okay.
How much is it?
$8.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Taxi English is not difficult.
It is daily English.
Real English.
Useful English.
Practice again and again.
Repetition builds confidence.
Today's mission.
Say these 3 sentences out loud.
I'm going to.
Please speak slowly.
How much is it?
Practice 5 times.
You are doing great.
Step by step.
Word by word.
Conversation by conversation.
Next time you take a taxi,
Try 1 English sentence.
just one.
That is progress.
Keep listening.
Keep repeating.
Keep speaking.
See you in the next episode.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.